Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts. Going to show you how to adjust the float on a older BBD 2-barrel. This one probably fits 50s application. It's what I refer to as the older one anyway. As you can see, I have the top removed already, and you need to remove the float retainer right here, and we're going to adjust it by holding the lever right here up against the needle, not with too much pressure, but you can use anything. We're going to measure it from the top of the float bowl without the gasket down to the top of the float. Okay, now I use a caliper because the end will come out here like this, and you can use any measuring device. I like to use something in metal. Now our kits come with a paper measuring stick that you can use. That works okay too. And like I say, measure from the top down to the float. And I'm not going to tell you what this one is because I don't know what the measurement is offhand. They're all different. So refer to the instruction sheet that came with the kit, and if your particular one is not listed, then pick the engine that and year that's closest to yours and go with that measurement. Okay, so to adjust it, now I'm going to take this little shield out here. This is used to for gas when it starts splashing in there. It holds it back. Okay, and to adjust this, we'll have to take the float out. You don't want to, by the way, before I forget, measure both floats. Okay, they both have to be the same. They need to be level in there. And I'm going to have to get a wrench and I'll show you how to adjust it. Okay, so to adjust this, we got to take the needle and seat out and remove the float. And we're going to adjust the float level by bending this tab forward or back, whatever it takes. And we'll put it back in and measure it again. Now I advise against adjusting it with the needle and seat in place, because if you're putting pressure on that needle, you might ruin the biting tip, and that will cause you to flood. So there's back in there again. Measure from here down to the top of the float on both sides. They need to be equal. Okay, if you have to adjust the pontoons, you can just bend them up right here using those tabs. And the other thing to watch for on these, make sure they're centered in the float bowl here, so they don't rub on the sides. Okay, and there you go. Thank you for watching.